Okay. Amma. Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have really missed this. But no, I was a crew member, an active crew member of a world record that was set by this person called this legend. What person? He's a legend. Dr. Amit Samarth. 6,000 kilometers across India on the Golden Quadrilateral in 13.5 days. I witnessed that. Amit Samarth is the first Asian to be the one to complete Race Across America, which is 5,000 kilometers, and Trans-Siberian Extreme, 9,100 kilometers. So how do I know him is because my parents are associated with him, and I automatically get involved with all the things that my parents are into. They do a lot of activities which are really inspirational, and I am very glad that I have a family which does that. My parents crewed Amit Samarth on Race Across America as well as Trans-Siberian Extreme. So this time I got the opportunity to be a part of crewing Amit Samarth for Ride Across India. I wasn't sure what a crew does. When my dad asked me if I want to be a part of the crew, I took a 6 minutes video of myself stating the pros and cons to this kind of an expedition. I will learn a lot. I will learn a lot if I do this. This is once in a lifetime opportunity, and you should not say no. It's not the time to say no. Sometimes I feel like I'm very underconfident, which is not a good thing. I have very good qualities, and I think I have the potential to become something really nice and something I am proud of. This opportunity will never come in your life, okay? All of this is free of cost, and you get to see sunrises, sunsets, you get to see the moon, you get to see the stars, you get to travel, you get to see the mountains, you get to see the, whatever, you get to see people, you get to see faces, new faces, you get to travel, you get to experience something you will never ever experience in your life. I knew that there were a lot of challenges for this kind of expedition, and at the end I decided that I was probably the only person given this opportunity, and to be a part of this mega operation that nobody's ever done before. That's the start of it, and rest is history. Actually history. So basically, he cycled 6,000 kilometers across India, covering all the major metropolitan cities. Mumbai to Bangalore to Chennai to Kolkata to Delhi to Bombay again. So I was a part of Delhi to Bombay, which was from 24th of February to 28th of February. So kid you not, this guy has done 20 plus hours a day of cycling for 13.5 days, okay? 400 to 500 kilometers per day of cycling. He slept about an average of 3 hours per day. So, he's done that. There were people behind the scenes doing the calorie charting. What used to happen was the crew members would keep feeding him, and for such a mega mission like this, you have to be fed 10,000 to 12,000 calories. So the crew would be giving him food, writing it down, sending a picture back at home in Nagpur. People, experts who understand calories and who understand food and take in hydration, they would do all the calculation and send back the data saying, oh, Amit is not eating enough, or Amit is not hydrated enough, and the crew would follow up with that.
I got the dal and rice for you. दाल चावल लाया हूँ, क्रीम लाया हूँ. 5 मिनट लगा लो, फिर 3 घंटा चलाओ, फिर मस्त सुलाता हूँ. हम भी सोते हैं. तो बताओ कहाँ रुकना है? बोलो सर. 2 किलोमीटर. Good. चल पुढे.
Mind you, only 2 members of the crew, the total number of 22 people, had crewed Amit before. None of the other members, 20 people, had crewed Amit before. So it was such a huge challenge. They spoke about all, difficulties that we would go through, or, all the previous experiences that they went through when they crewed Amit.
ये नॉर्मल स्टेट में नहीं है. ओके, ही इज इन सम डिफरेंट टेंशन. ये अलग जोन में है, हम उस जोन में नहीं है. ओके, तो ये कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोलता है ना, तो यू शुड नॉट टेक इट पर्सनली. वो कुछ भी बोल सकता है. तेरे को अक्ल नहीं है क्या बोल देगा ना. ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया तो समझना कि इसको तकलीफ है. ही इज गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग. ओके, इसको झेलो, इसको उसका मूड चेंज करो. यू नो, change
There will be a lot of cheering, you know. Even you guys, everybody has to cheer me. क्योंकि no matter what, I am a very great athlete. वो जो भी अल्ट्रा साइक्लिंग में मैंने किया है, but I will need continuous cheering. अगर आप cheer करोगे तो मैं और अच्छे से लाऊंगा. मुझे लगेगा हाँ, yes, I am doing. These people are with me. You know, we are going as a team. Otherwise, after some time, if there is no cheering, I will be feeling alone. मुझे no matter what, I am alone in the front. है ना? So you will have to cheer me continuously, feed me. That is the. So we are all.
you have to nurture him.
It's a team game.
You are connected emotionally with him.
Yeah.
और you are sensing what आना चाहिए. हम लोग रास्ते में डांस करते थे, क्या क्या नहीं करते थे, बिकॉज उसका मूड फर्स्ट टाइम था ना.
So let me tell you a little bit about the planning. Let me give you a picture. Amit is riding, okay, one follow-up car behind him at all times, okay, which was the Innova. Pajero was the Ox 1 car and Hexa was the Ox 2 car. So how this works is, the crew teams are decided already, okay, and what happens is the crew shifts from car to car to car based on shifts. So initially we decided that each crew would work about 8 plus 8, 16 hours in follow-up car and Ox 1. Ox 1 would be running errands in case Amit wanted something special to eat, or like we would look at locations in front. Traffic was one of the biggest factors in Ride Across India because there were times when the follow-up vehicle could not be with Amit because we would get, it's stuck in traffic, and Ox 1 would have to be ready. So Ox 1 basically, it would never be with the follow-up vehicle. It would always be a few kilometers ahead to figure out the conditions ahead. On the Delhi-Jaipur highway, the entire highway was blocked because of the farmers' protest.
So there is a protest here somewhere, I don't know about what, and they have put containers on the main road and all the traffic has moved to the service lanes.
There were tents on the highways and the whole highway was blocked. 10,000 trucks all around, and it was one of the biggest traffic jams that we went through in Ride Across India. So at that point when the traffic jam had occurred, Amit left with one of our crew members, Anand sir, and they both just left ahead and we were stuck in traffic. So I stepped out of the car and I wanted to sit in front next to the driver. And when I stepped down, I realized that my feet sank inside the ground, and I realized it was fine sand. So my shoes were filled with sand. Imagine a cyclist having to walk on the sand because cycles can't pass through and the highways are blocked. That's how it worked with Ox 1 and follow-up car relationship. Meanwhile, Ox 2 would be resting after a 16 to 20 hours of shift. Everyone was talking about how they are overworked and so tired, and I could see that on their faces. But I was honestly so enthused. I was like, oh my god, this is the chance for my life and everything.
See you in Mumbai! Woohoo! Woo! Let's go! Come on, Ghost Rider! Let's go! Woo!
Well, one of the functions of the All Box Car people is to cheer. So we're waiting for Amit to show up in this bad traffic. The traffic is so bad, you can't wait. My camera's blurry. by second day I was dead. So what happened really was that the shifts would increase. Now that is kind of where the chaos part comes in. A lot of people were overworked. So in my group there was Sheetal, Mukul ma'am and Anand sir and Vishwas Bhaiya. So we used to get the night shift. I was completely dead because when you're out there, it's so, I mean, yeah, it's all thrilling and you know, you want to like just keep going and everything. But we would be awake the entire night crewing Amit, and it's like this whole ride across India expedition was testing our endurance, the crew members, as well as him. But he was handling it perfectly well.
RP is complaining, nobody is concerned about the crew.
इसमें कितने कैलोरीज है साले हमारे 200 भी नहीं हो रहे
It is the extreme endurance.
He was trained for this. He trained himself for months on end, you know, for this kind of expedition. And he was ready, like he had a goal in his mind and he knew what he was doing. So what used to happen in the night? So we had the Terrano device. So Amit's helmet has a Terrano device and my helmet. Suppose I'm wearing the helmet inside the crew car, follow-up car. And I'm wearing the helmet and I have a Terrano device. So Terrano to Terrano it can connect, right? So Amit would insist on talking to people. Whenever he insists on talking to someone, it means that at that point he needs that kind of energy.
डेटाबेस था उनका, उसमें काम किया और फिर एलिफेंट मॉर्टालिटी का डेटाबेस था. तो वहाँ पे जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट वगैरह में जो होता है ना, वो लोग वहाँ पे तो पूरा शादी में दे कट एन एलिफेंट, लाइक अ फीस्ट एंड ऑल. सो दैट वाज ऑल सरप्राइजिंग फॉर मी. दे ईट, नो, दे इट्स लाइक अ फीस्ट फॉर देम, शादियों वादियों में. तो वो सब मुझे पहले नहीं पता था. आई जस्ट गॉट टू नो व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू इट. फिर देन तो उधर हम लोग का एक सेंटर है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ही, इन असम, सेंटर फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ रेस्क्यू एंड रिहैबिलिटेशन. तो वहाँ पे है ना बहुत सारे एनिमल्स, लाइक असम में तेरा फ्लड्स हुआ एवरी ईयर जून जुलाई में. तो इतने सारे एनिमल्स बेचारे बह के आ जाते हैं एंड ऑल बच्चा. ओके, तो व्हेन आई वाज देयर तो वहाँ पे देयर वर 7 एलिफेंट काउस. ओके, उनको हैंड रेज करना था एंड देन वी हैड टू रिलीज देम बैक टू द वाइल्ड. So when I reached there, उनका जो केयरटेकर था वो मुझे ऐसे लेके गया वो एलिफेंट्स के सामने और मेरे को सबके नाम बता रहा था कि ये टिंगो है, ये सिकॉम है, ये टिला है, ऐसा था. So oh my God, they all look same.
So I would tell him all about my life, my friends, my boyfriends. I would ask his advice on how to deal with certain things in life. I just wanted to distract him from the pain he was going through. One of the questions that I asked him was, when you started doing such crazy adventures and when you started doing things that kind of like sort of need people's validation and for people to tell you that you're going to be okay, or oh yeah, we believe in you, that external motivation, do you depend on that validation? And he said, I've learned not to, because it is disappointing when some things are not as you expect them to be. So in life, if you expect less out of everyone else and expect more out of yourself, you might just do exactly what you've always dreamt of doing. I was just in awe at that moment.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to run, guys. Wait. Oh! I am not athletic at all.
One of the most challenging parts of this expedition was the end. Okay, we planned this entire ride across India. We planned it to the T, and the very last point we did not plan at all. So we did not anticipate the traffic, number one. Number two, we did not anticipate the humidity of Bombay. Oh my God.
my main concern right now, but I also don't want to miss. I started.
Yeah, opposite side of that.
Okay, there's a lot of traffic. Someone's going to kill me now, but I have it on video, so it's fine. 1 second. Please, wait. Not able to understand what's happening. Why is... Oh God, it's so confusing. I am standing in between. Wait, I'll tell you. I'm standing on the lane that goes towards Golden Gateway of India.
Yeah, I'm also on that side.
Why are you before the toll? अभी से वहाँ से तो आई मैं. वहाँ से तो आई लेफ्ट या राइट साइड? Okay. I'm guys. Wait. Oh. I don't know. That's it. Hello. Alright.
And apart from that, we want, this was a fundraiser ride for Lok Biradari Prakalpa. So please contribute towards Lok Biradari Prakalpa, the sports project at Lok Biradari Prakalpa, and help us promote sports in each and every nook and corner of the world. So thank you, and thanks for following and this entire ride, and it has been a massive effort. Means I'm gone. This is what this ride was actually meant for.
Yes.
That it should totally take out everything out of you.
Yes.
Till the last, what do you say, drop of blood. Yeah. Even for the crew.
Moral of the story, after I came back, all of us got COVID. It's funny now because I'm okay now, touch wood, and everyone is fine. It's just funny how God presents me with such a wonderful opportunity and then hands me the gift of COVID.
बाहर जाना था तुझे, जाके आके ठीक है बढ़िया लोगों.
One thing that I did not want is what I get. That's all for today's video. I will be back soon next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you reached till the end, so like, share, comment, subscribe.